Very cheerful morning to all my lovely students. Hope you and all your family members would be fine at your places. As we all know, we are facing a very troubled situation of COVID-19 these days. But learning is a process which should never be stopped. It should be moved on throughout the life. That's the reason I am here with the topic. I have taken it from your English reader book, Real English from Viva Education. It has been taken from second chapter. The title of the poem is A Beautiful Day. The poet is William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is a poet of nature who frequently found God in nature and used to write about the beauty of nature, beauty of his natural surrounding. This poem has been written under a specifically aesthetic heading, the concept of beauty, the beauty of the day. So let's start the poem. A beautiful day. The cock is crowing, the stream is flowing, the small birds twitter, the lake doth glitter, the green field sleeps in the sun. In this stanza, it has been expressed that the day has begun with the sound of cocks, means the sound of cocks showing the rise of new day. The stream has started flowing. The small birds, they have started making sounds. The small birds twitter, they have started making sounds continuously. Fine. The lake doth glitter, the green field sleeps in the sun. The lake, the stream, that is flowing and glittering with the rays of sun. The sun moves over the green fields and the fields appear that they are sleeping. Fine. It appears that the fields are sleeping. Now we will go through our next stanza. The oldest and youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. There are 40 feeding like one. In this stanza, what has been expressed? The people, either they are old or they are young, means the people of all age group. They have started working with full enthusiasm, with full energy as the new day has begun. The cattle are grazing. The herd of cattle have started eating grass in the fields. They all are continuously grazing without raising their heads. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising, means they are continuously grazing without raising their heads. Though they are numerous, but it appears like 40 cattle are like one. There are 40 feeding like one. Though they are numerous, but looking like one. Fine. Is it clear to you? Now we will go through our next stanza. Like an army defeated, the snow hath retreated, and now doth fare ill. On the top of the bare hill, the ploughboy is whooping anon. In this stanza, it has been expressed that the snow has been starting. It has started moving back like a defeated soldier, like a defeated army, means like the defeated soldier. The snow has started melting because of the sun's heat. Fine. The new day has begun. The new day has begun with the new day The sun has started making its heatness. So due to its heat, the snow has started melting. It can't exist more, and now doth fare ill on the top of Bear Hill. Means on the top of Bear Hill, the plowboy is whooping anon anon. Plowboy means the boy who leads the animals to plow the fields. On the top of hill, the plowboy has started making loud cries, whooping anon anon. He is making loud cries in excitement because the new day has begun. It has started spreading its beauty. The day has started spreading its beauty all around. The boy was attracted by the beauty of the new day. Fine. Now we will move to next stanza. There's joy in the mountains, there's life in the fountains, small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing, the rain is over and gone. In last stanza, what we have seen, it has been expressed in last stanza that there is joy all around. The beauty of nature can be seen all around. The happiness is all around. Even in mountains, there's joy in the mountains. There lives in the fountain. Small clouds are sailing. Suddenly, clouds started appearing, and it seemed that they were sailing. They were floating in the sky, and gradually they started pouring on earth. Means the rain started. The raindrops were full of life. There's life in the fountains. After a while, the rain stopped. Blue sky prevailing, the rain is over and gone. After a while, the rain stopped, and again the blue sky was visible. The day became more beautiful after the rainfall. Throughout the poem, what we have seen that the poet has exaggerated the beauty of nature, the beauty of the day. I hope you all have understood the poem, and this video will help you to understand the poem. We will meet in next video. Have a nice day ahead.